My name is Patryk. I'm a senior Android developer working in SPL software. Today, the tech world is going crazy about ChatGPT and all of its alternatives. Chatbots have recently popularized AI solutions even more. It's a great time to remind us what AI solutions we can simply add to our mobile applications. For example, we can identify objects, track face and body movement, and recognize text on images. All of that for free, with a brief implementation, in real time, and with trained machine learning models. So now, what allows us to use that many functionalities available in real time on our mobile applications? The answer is in the title of this video, the ML Kit from Google. It's the package of libraries which simplifies using AI features a lot. Let's go together through the most fascinating features available in real time. The barcode or QR codes reader API. As an example, with this feature, you can scan the product to check the nutrients or ingredients, like in MyFitnessPal app. Or scan the QR code to enable your vehicle, like in Line. Next, the text recognition API. It allows us to use the optical character recognition in the app. It is known more from its acronym, OCR. It let us improve many steps in the app, where users can scan the text instead of typing the entire content. Now we are moving to a pose detection API, which allows you to track your body movement. This API may be helpful in trainings to check the proper position of your body, or even count the number of repetitions. Focusing more on the face, there are also some face-related features, like face mesh, face detection, and face segmentation, which allows you to change the user's appearance by applying some filters, like on Snapchat or Instagram. With that feature, you can also separate your figure from the background and blur the background or just replace it to another one, as you can see on the example. To sum up, the ML Kit allows us to create amazing applications and experiences with the power of machine learning. Even with the more basic features like OCR, we may improve the UI UX of our application and the usability to the next level. Okay, I think that's all, so thank you very much and see you next time.